Okay, my name is Bernard Chesire. I'm the manager at Tamining Grove. At Tamining Grove, we are doing avocado as our main crop, but this year we are trying to farm on maize. So we are doing about 465 acres of maize this year. And we have just started. We started planting last month on 17th of March 2024. Before we decided to do maize farming, we did our soil sample. Our soil is so acidic, so we decided to do CalciGrow 2 bags per acre. And what we are doing here, we are mixing CalciGrow 2 bags with 1 bag of NPK, and it's doing well because of the seeds. We call nice seeds. I think we are expecting about 40 bags per acre. Yeah, that's our target this year. This maize here, as you see, it's 83 days old. So we did, after planting, we did our first top dressing. The second top dressing we did after exactly 2 months. And so far, so good. As you can see, the maize are strong. I think it's because of calcium from CalciGrow. You can also see it's double-cobbing, and this is good for a farmer. The crop is healthy. You can see the stem. The stem is healthy. Actually, there was a wind that was here last week, and iliweza kuangusha mahindi ya majirani, but in our farm you can see there's no even one fallen maize. So I think we are lucky and we are happy about it.
CalciGrow is a granulated mineral fertilizer composed of calcium, magnesium, and organic carbon. CalciGrow is to be mixed in a 1:1 ratio with NPK fertilizers during planting and again at top dressing to provide calcium and carbon to the crop when it needs these nutrients most.